Success is a journey paved with determination and patience. Picture a sculptor, meticulously crafting their masterpiece, chiseling away with precision. Each strike might seem insignificant, yet collectively they form a creation that speaks volumes. In life, we too must embrace the art of progress through incremental wins. These small victories, akin to those strokes of the chisels, are stepping stones towards our grand aspirations. Imagine the dedication of an athlete aiming for an Olympic goal. Their regimen involves countless hours of training, refining skills, and perfecting techniques. Each training session may not bring immediate fame, but they steadily build a foundation for success. It is this unwavering focus on minor improvements that eventually culminate in monumental achievements. As we pursue our aspirations, it's crucial to remember that our path is unique. Visualize a marathon. Runners may share the same road, but each has their pace and rhythm. Your journey unfolds in your own time, unaffected by the tempo of others around you. Drawing inspiration from fellow travelers is enriching, yet their timelines should not steer your self-worth. In moments of doubt, ground yourself in the knowledge that enduring success thrives on persistence and resilient focus. As you keep your eyes fixed on your goals, imagine each step forward as nurturing seeds that will one day blossom into the future you've envisioned. #growth mindset, #success narrative, #personal development, #achieve big through small, #motivated mind.